guys, and welcome back. Today I will be showing you guys how I do my everyday makeup look. I hope that this video helps you guys in some way and that you guys are able to follow along. Let's get started. My face is already washed, and before I apply any makeup I like to take my witch hazel I was about to say oil. My witch hazel, what the hell is my witch hazel? What is this called? Anyways, I take my witch hazel toner and I apply it before my makeup. I told you guys that I was gonna buy cotton pads, but I never did. So I'm gonna take these cotton balls and I'm gonna use this to apply the toner. So I just apply this all over my skin. After I apply my toner, I like to just go on with my makeup, and the first thing I do is my eyebrows. So let's get to my eyebrows. The product I use for my eyebrows is the Anastasia Dip Brow. It looks like this. I have it in the color or shade dark brown because I have really dark hair. The brush I use is this Anastasia. I got it from Anastasia Beverly Hills as well, and it's just looks like that and has a spoolie at the end. So I'm gonna brush my eyebrows upwards like so, and I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows like this. And then I'm gonna brush it down and fill in the top. Now we're just gonna fill in like the middle. And we're gonna clean up our eyebrows. You don't have to do this part, but I personally like doing this because it just makes my eyebrows look better, more defined. I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend the top out. And it doesn't matter, oh, and the bottom. And it doesn't matter if it's like for me right now it's pretty white, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to put foundation on anyways. Next, I'm going to apply my primer. I use the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline, and it looks like this. So we're just going to apply some everywhere. Next, I'm going to take my foundation. I got this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills as well. It's called Luminous Foundation. It looks like this. And the color I have it in, or shade, it's 360C. So I'm going to use 2 pumps in. I already have 1 and then 2. And we're going to apply. So I get my foundation a little darker because my neck is just darker than my actual face. So that's why it may look a little bit orange, but once we put concealer on, it will look normal. I don't put foundation under my eyes because I don't want it to have a lot of product for when I put concealer on. And on my eyelids. And then blend it out like so. Next, I'm going to take my Airspun setting powder, and it looks like this. I have it in the shade Translucent Extra Coverage 070. You know what? I don't know what shade. I'll put this in the description, I guess, because it's not the lightest one for sure. And I'm just gonna take some and put it on the lid. And we're gonna take our powder and put it underneath our eyes to set our under eyes. So I actually don't like leaving it underneath my eyes for too long because I don't like it to look too white. So I'm just gonna go like this and brush this off. Some people don't like setting their eyes, but I like to set my eyelids. I'm gonna take this big brush from Morphe. I don't know what brush it is because it doesn't have the number. And I'm just gonna set my whole face like so. Then I take my compact powder from MAC. It's MAC Studio Fix. And it's in the shade NC43. And it looks like this. NC43. So I'm gonna take the same brush that I used to set my whole face with. You wanna tap in the product onto your face. Then I kind of just brush it in after I'm done. Next step is contouring. So now I'm gonna get my contour stuff and contour my face. So I like going in with two contour powders. Use the Kylie Pressed Bronzer Powder that looks like this. It's in the shade Tanned and Gorgeous. I'll show you guys. What I'm going to use is Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula, and I have it in the shade Deep Bronzer. It's called Deep Bronzer, and it looks like this. So I take some, like that, tap some off, and I do like a fish face. Some on my forehead, because we want our forehead to look smaller, especially mine. It's huge. So now after it's on, I just blend it. Put some under, or what is this? Or put some on our jawline. Then I take the butter bronzer that I showed you guys and I go in again. I usually use a different brush to contour my nose. Go through the sides like that. Next, I'm gonna use my Sephora Colorful, it's called I'm Quite Tipsy. It's a blush. And yes, I'm just gonna take some and put it on our cheeks. My everyday makeup look, I kind of just, sometimes I don't wear eyeshadow, sometimes I do, and if I do something light. So I'm gonna take my Kylie Jenner Pressed Powder Palette. I'm gonna take Jasper, which is this shade right here. Well, I'm just gonna take Jasper and put it all over my lid because I don't know what I was planning on doing with Jasper, but I did that. We're gonna take Tiger Eye, which is the shade right here, and kind of just go in your crease with that color. You want it to be simple and cute. Once I have it in the crease, I will just blend out. Actually mix it with Topaz, which is the shade right here. Just because I know a lot of people who know makeup are probably watching this and are like, oh my god, you're using the same brush for the different colors. I know. I'm just gonna use the color Quartz on the Kylie palette to put it on my brow bone, like so. I'm done with my eyes. I just, you know, put some highlighter on. I use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Looks like this. I take a highlighter brush and any setting spray. Wet my sponge. I wet my brush. And I dip it in the color Summer. Nose. Sometimes I like using my pinky and getting some product and just putting it on the tip of my nose. I used to use the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, but now I use the Damn Girl. The Damn Girl that looks like this. I'll get closer so you guys can see me. And I'm gonna take some more and put it on my lower lashes. I'm sorry, my mascara putting on face is so ugly. Then I'm gonna take my brow gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just gonna style the hairs of my eyebrows, you know, to how I want them. Then I'm gonna take, oh my god, okay you guys, this is my favorite, honestly, I think this is my favorite lip gloss. It's ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Champagne Mommy. And I love it, it looks like this. Just gonna apply it. And it smells so good, so good. Once I'm done with everything, applying everything on my face, I like to set my face with some setting spray, so I'm going to take some of that. And when I have setting spray on, I like to take my sponge and kind of just go through everything again. So guys, that is it for today's video. This is how I do my everyday makeup, like when I'm not going out or something and I'm just doing something chill. I hope that I helped you guys in any way, shape, or form. I don't know. Maybe you guys do this a little bit different, but this is just how I do my makeup. These are the steps I follow. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys want to see more makeup tutorials, just let me know. Leave it down in the comments, you know. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram, like the video, comment, subscribe if you guys want. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. See you.